What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Something that was sent as a response to my recent community post about knives, so thank you for that. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please, have you noticed this card? Has this been helping to slam it into the box like that? Follow me on Instagram. If you think it's funny, follow me on Instagram. If you don't, I'm sorry. It's just, I don't know. And throwing stuff makes me feel good. Okay, let's get into this box. Oh, by the way, this was sent by... Did you see that amazing cut where I cut towards myself and then slip? That was real smart. Dan. Thank you very much, Dan. Obviously, don't cut towards yourself. Don't. I know there's parents watching my content with their kids. Like, right now. They're like, oh, they're talking about us. Listen to your parents. Don't cut like this. Your parents will tell you not to do that. They'll show you the right way to do it. You should listen to them. Okay. Packing material. Tactical peanuts. We have that. We have a Spyderco. Neat. Okay, we have a note. My favorite thing in the whole world. Feel free to use and disassemble as you please. It should make for a better review to actually something and carry them. Yep, I agree. Oh, good. Yes. Oh, yes. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so it has an interesting engraving. Please enjoy. I look forward to the review. Okay, awesome. Thank you very much, Dan. So, let's go ahead and open, I don't know what that is, but this is something I've been wanting to get my hands on for a long time. A long time. I've asked for it the last 3 times that I've done the community posts on Knives for Review. Yay! Oh boy! Yes, this is the Guardian 3. So this was done intentionally, right? There's gonna be people like, oh my gosh, does the company do that? No, he had that done. So she said it's just meant to be comical. Normally they don't have that on there. This is the Bradford Guardian 3 in Crewwear. Now, there's a bunch of these, a bunch of different variants of the Guardian, the Bradford Guardian, at DLT Trading, and I will link it right down below. There are different sizes, different steels. These are, I think, fairly plentiful in supply, but they also constantly have different versions with different blade shapes. I would invite you guys to go check them out. The reason I've wanted to look at this for so long is because this particular version, the 3, seems to be just about the ideal size for me for EDC. Meaning, it's a smaller fixed blade with a good amount of blade, right? I mean, if we're talking about the blade to handle ratio, it's pretty darn good, right? This is in Crewwear, which is obviously a steel that people love. If you don't know, Crewwear is a fantastic steel. This is an American-made fixed blade. Comes with a pretty nice sheath. I don't have a problem with the sheath at all, in fact. Now, I think they have different versions of sheaths. I might be mistaken, but I feel like they've got Kydex and leather. Ergonomically, yeah, it's fantastic because we have this sort of half handle, half blade choil, so you can get up there and choke in on it. Choke in on it. Choke up on it, right? I'm a huge fan of Natural G10. Or Jade, whatever you want to call that. And this has a beautiful texture pattern on it. Stumbled around that there. I love that. Big, thick, chunky diamond texturing. Really cool. Yeah, this is what I wanted it to be. I like the sheep's foot blade. It's pretty cool. I'm not sure if I'd go with sheep's foot or one of their other ones, but this is kind of an ideal EDC fixed blade to me, right? I mean, and this is also something that I would throw in my pocket just like this, right? I mean, you obviously can attach it. You can put it on your belt or whatever. I think, is it supposed to go like this? I don't know. Yeah, so this is really cool. So if you're into smaller, like, I like my big fixed blades for sure, but if I'm going to EDC a fixed blade, it's going to need to be a smaller one. And this one really seemed like, I just kept looking at pictures and I almost bought it multiple times in various forms. This really seemed like something that I would like and actually carry. I've traditionally been a folding knife guy, but that's the type of fixed blade I would carry around. And then this, oh, yes. Yes, the new, this is still available too, guys. This is the Lightweight Para 3 in teal and S90V, which is cool. Feels just like every other lightweight that I've experienced, right? I mean, decent action. Not quite as good as the G10 Para 3s, but pretty darn good. Of course, the benefit here, right? I mean, outside of the weight, which I don't care about, is the pocket clips in the right place because they don't have a big stupid lanyard hole being prioritized. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with my left hand. A big stupid lanyard hole being prioritized over the position of the pocket clip, right? I think these are about $140, which is a good deal considering you're getting a very premium steel, right? And the Para 3 has some pretty thick scales on this guy, some pretty reinforced scales. Now, oh yeah, it does still have that. Yeah, there's that. It's that bump right there, that reinforcement, so it doesn't feel like, if you're worried, if you've ever handled the bug out and you're like, I hate it because it feels so cheap and hollow, these feel a lot more solid because of how the scales are done. So yeah, one of the best EDC knives in existence. Why do I keep missing that? There we go. It's plenty smooth, right? Definitely. How are we on centering? We're a little off on this guy. I imagine it's been carried a little bit. I'll fix that up either way. Make sure that I can center it before I review it. Lockup is solid though, absolutely solid. Okay, you can get both of these right now, and I'll link them both right down in the description. If you've been looking for an ideal EDC Para 3, this might be it. $140 seriously is pretty good. This guy, I'm going to tell you guys right now, is pretty expensive, right? But yeah, I mean, this stuff is available, and in any case, this is not a review. This is just an unboxing, first impressions. So here, 2, 3, 4 weeks down the road for each of these knives, you will get a full comprehensive review if you'd like to wait and hear my complete thoughts before you make a decision, or just to entertain yourselves. Of course, I know that the vast majority of you are just watching to be entertained, right? To visually scratch the itch. And I appreciate that, because that is definitely one of the goals of this channel, is just to entertain people. Anyways, thank you so much, Dan, for sending these in. Very excited. Thanks so much to my generous patrons again. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day. Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!